Oh my god, I'm covered in straw. If you want to read it, you can pause it and read it, and that's the and that's the other side with all the herbs. Greetings and salutations, my name is Oracult and welcome to my sanctuary. To those of you new here, I hope you really like it here, like the video, stick around, subscribe to the channel. And to those of you who are returning visitors, thanks so much again, and especially if you're subscribers. I really love seeing the channel grow, and your support means a lot to me. So please do like and subscribe, it really helps me out. And also don't forget to click the notification bell to know when I upload. There either already was or will be a giveaway coming, because we're about to hit a milestone as I'm filming this, but I'm not sure when the video will come out, so I guess we'll find out. So yeah, and if it hasn't yet hit the milestone, then there will be a giveaway coming. So do watch out for that. Anyway, without further ado, what we'll be doing today is we will be unboxing the November box from Apothecary Magicka, based here in Foxton, New Zealand. So for some reason it came in 2 boxes this month. So we will start with the smaller one first. Trusted dagger. Trusted dagger. I don't know why it's in 2. It says it's fragile. Probably has glass in it or something like that. Let's see. What does it say? Okay, hang on. There's the box itself, and there's a little note. It says it says open second. Okay, so much for that idea. We will open the bigger box first then, which also says it's fragile. So, trusted dagger. Okay, so there. That is the box. A note. Open first. Makes sense. Okay. Ooh. Let's take a look at that. So, there's a little seashell. And as usual, I try and guess the theme. So this is the November box. I have no idea what the theme is. So this should be interesting. The shell suggested something about the sea, so this is the paperwork, which I'm going to put over here, which I read later. Because first, I like to try and guess. Oh my god, I can see this, so I'm going to look at this straight away. Oh my god, look at that. This is fancy New Zealand tea. You can see how fancy that is. I can read the ingredients on the back while I'm holding this up even. It says certified organic lemongrass, ginger calendula, and native New Zealand kawa leaf, no added sweetener, color, or preservative. So this is absolutely natural organic tea. I love tea, and especially I love sort of really nice herbal teas and stuff like that. This will be gone really quick, is what I'm saying. So yeah, this is awesome. So that's one item in it. Also, if you like this makeup look, I will have I'll have a video on how I did this one, and it's from Jolie Beauty, the palette itself, as well as the lipstick. So I will link it up if it's already out. Kick-ass palette, I tell you. Okay, next item is, it says water, so it must be the element, but inside there is a little, I think these are little ritual oils. So it looks like that. I should have just left it in the box to show you there. Really pretty, and it smells, you know, it smells like something fresh and like not even oceany, but it's just really nice, a really nice smell. So we will read about this in the paperwork stuff. Then there is, these I always like. Swamp hag bath sand. So this is for bath. Oh, the smells sensational. It smells like that little oil. Oh my god, I can't wait to read what this is about, because there's usually a spell, obviously, because this is a witch box after all. And like next item we have a little shell, and inside it a little blue crystal. That's very cute. I'm not sure what the crystal is. I guess we'll find out. Let me just get it. Yeah. So you can see it. Very cute blue. crystal. Ooh, there's a very big item here. I don't even know. Let me start with this one. So there's another one. Also wrapped in blue. It is a... I don't know what this is for. It should be very interesting. A beautiful sort of golden-y kind of spoon. I'm very intrigued. I mean, I know this is water themed, but what the hell is this about? I assume this is the water symbol. And, more opening. Trust the dagger is back. Good thing I didn't quite put it back in. I'm just trying to open this thing here. I see why it's fragile. I'm pretty sure this is glass. I nearly got it. Okay. So there's two. These are usually dried herbs or something like that, or resins. Ooh, oh my god. I love it. I love it. I love it. We actually went to meet Amy, who does these ones, and I gave her like a little teacup thing. And wow, it's on both sides, and yeah, I love this. This is stunning. Can't believe it's in this box. That's a funny exchange, eh? Oh no, I was wrong. It's not herbs, it's actually rosemary water. This is incredible. I bet it's a beauty thing. I love getting beauty things in these, that's incredible. And the other one is hibiscus flowers. This is actually fantastic. You can actually use it in teas and stuff like that as well as for other things, so that's pretty cool. I assume this is the saucer part from that teacup set or whatever, but there seems to be like two things there, so I'm not quite sure where they would be two. Yeah, so that's like obviously a saucer for this teacup. It is absolutely gorgeous, and I don't know if the second one, I think it's the same. I don't know why there's two of them though. Maybe the other one, maybe the other box is the second one. That could be it. Okay, I'm pretty sure this is the same, so I won't open this right now. And now for the second box. So this is the second box. Yes, right, it is the second one. It is the second one of these. So I'm gonna open it because I'm not sure if it's gonna be the same or different. Look, I got a little personalized note. So Amy does send me small gifts and, well, sometimes big ones because the background was from her, but for doing the videos, but I buy the box. Hi Aura, once again, thank you so much for a lovely video on the Beltane box. You are beautiful, I'm glad you appreciate yourself, and practice self-care. Amy, it was awesome to meet you and have coffee. We did go a few weeks ago, probably a few months ago now, time flies so much, and meet Amy and her partner Liz, who does super amazing leather stuff, so check him out. I will link it down below as well as all the, obviously, the stuff in this, and yeah, and their lovely daughter, and it was so much fun, and that little girl, she kicked our boys' butts. Unfortunately, kids, you know, often you sort of bring kids together, and sometimes they start playing, and sometimes they start like fighting a bit, and then they're just about to start playing, and then you have to go. It's so frustrating, but it happens like all the time. So hopefully we will be back, and we will see if they get on straight away or not. You never know. Kids are tricky. So yeah, it was great, but we had coffee and had a chat, and you know, had a look around Amy's workspace and Liz's workspace, so it was super cool. It was lovely to meet you guys as well. Awesome, thank you for that. So what's in there? I get Phases of the Moon, Energy Bracelet, Moonstone, Lavirite, Black Moonstone, and Black Tourmaline, and Black Agate. Ooh, Black Tourmaline, holy crap. I don't know if I'm reading that larvae something correctly, so I'll just put that there. Maybe you guys can make it out, I don't know. But the bracelet itself, like, look how gorgeous that is. It's actually great because it's very, very neutral. I will wear something like this all the time, and it's so easy to put on because it's like in a rubbery sort of band. Perfect, and I can get away with it at work as well. Oh my god, that's great. And there's another little note Oh! So the gift is also the extra cup and saucer, so when we come visit you, oh guys, thank you so much. That's incredible. Look, it's a little card. Oh my god. Thank you. Oh, I love you guys. I hope everything really turns out for all of us. Oh, look, it's another. These are stunning. I don't know where you guys get them from. They're absolutely gorgeous. So, let us check out what the theme of this box is. The theme of the box. Drum roll. No one to do it, but never mind. Water and healing. So there's the paperwork there. You can see water and healing. Your quest for healing leads you deep into the bush. In a clearing, you stop and admire the bountiful kawa and the tui calls to you left. So kawa, native New Zealand tree, and the tui is a native New Zealand bird. It's incredible, and you might actually hear some outside. You follow the tui, notice the bracken appears slightly flattened. Up ahead is a path. You follow it heading north into the midday sun, which is peeking through the tall totara and rimu trees. Again, native New Zealand trees. Eventually you come across a stream that winds beside a path, bubbling softly across smooth grey and coloured stones. Flashes of white catch your eye. New Zealand quartz. How beautiful. So, and there's a whole story. This is stunning. I can't wait to read all of this. I won't read all of this on camera, but the idea is that this is about water and healing, and it sort of talks about, you know, you're heading towards the swamp and the bush, and it's all about nature. God, I love stuff like that. I love how they're tied to nature, you know, it's just, I always find that so amazing. Okay, so for your spell, you get the lemon ginger kawa tea, yep, a wonderful, yeah, it's from a wonderful New Zealand organic tea company. And then you have the water elemental roller oil. You have the swamp hag bath sand, is for deep inner healing and working to aid you with the swamp hag and elemental water. Kelp, dulse, green tea, mint eucalyptus, and blue butterfly pea powder combined with salt. Wow, that sounds really good. Floral teaspoon. Ah, okay, so that's for ritual tea and coffee and stuff. Spell instructions, which I have here somewhere as well. And then you have a seashell, which is just decor. Blue quartz tumble, that's what that is. It's a blue quartz, that's a really pretty stone. Info on healing crystals and herbs, which I will put up shortly. And a few introductions for someone who makes mead with a discount. Hibiscus flowers, rosemary water, which again has healing and protective powers. I love stuff like that. Actually, I use it as toners and things. Store in a cool, dry place, keep out of reach of children. Avoid contact with eyes, broken skin, or sensitive areas. Crescent moon, teacup, and saucer for brewing your healing potions, teas, and coffees. And the introduction and the discount for the mead. My man would be very interested in this. It's called Adam Reed at Honey Bandit Mead. Launched Coven, a blueberry and strawberry mead with clove, nutmeg, and sage. That sounds incredible. So that's that logo there, which is absolutely gorgeous. And then we have, so what's in the spell? This is not a pretty spell, it says straight away. Feel free to change it up and make it palatable if you need to. Change step 1 to simply casting a circle to make it nicer. Okay, I'm already scared. So this is the optional part. Drink several glasses of warm water about 1.5 hours to 2 hours before you start your spell. When you're ready, cast your circle in your bathroom or white light bubble. Visualize any imbalance, emotional suffering, any other gunk you feel clogging your way. Cast it out as you pee. Could work. Purge it from your body. And there's a lot of other details that I probably shouldn't put on here. It's nothing gross, it's just about, you know, peeing. So some people may or may not like that, therefore it's an optional step. So I won't go through that in detail, but basically then what you do is you just have a bath, and then you have the tea ritual, and then you have the anointing. So you basically use the water oil for yourself and your jewelry and stuff like that. the bath and everything smells really, really nice. I have read what's in it, but I still can't like pinpoint what the sort of main thing in that smell is, but it's pretty good. Then we have the healing crystals and herbs and resins as well for both water and healing. So that's sort of the usual thing you get in this box. I will put it up here and back up there, so if you want to read it you can pause it and read it, and that's the other side with all the herbs. I will see how this turns out. If not, I will just put a picture up. So that is what you get in the box. So that is it. I freaking adore this one. I really like watery stuff and everything sea themed, and those favorite item, definitely the saucers and definitely the tea. I love stuff like that. And I just, yeah, I drink tea all the time. I drink a lot of coffee, but I drink a lot of tea. In the evenings I prefer to drink a lot of tea, and I drink a lot of water, so this box is really good for me. This box does not ship overseas, however Amy has plenty of items that would ship overseas, because some of it I think, like maybe this bath thing or something like that, not all countries would accept it through customs and stuff, because it's like, I don't know, it can be a biohazard threat, because New Zealand doesn't let anything like that in, and nor does Australia, so overseas shipping might be a bit funny. Locally these boxes are available monthly, and for people who are outside, potentially, you know, you can check out some of the other items that Amy sells through her shop, which will all be linked down below. But in general, I'm really happy with this. I really like stuff like this, and I will definitely use a lot of it. And I think this might be, unfortunately, the last box that I will be opening. It's nothing to do with the shop itself. I love these boxes and I enjoyed meeting Amy and stuff like that, but we have a big change coming up for us as a family. We will be shifting, and I will let you know more details eventually. So we won't be able to get these boxes anymore, unfortunately. It is what it is, and we will, I don't know, try and find something similar and support some small business somewhere else, but we'll keep checking and see if we can order from Amy, or we'll be able to order from Amy internationally, because we will be moving out of New Zealand for a while. So, well, you can't really get into New Zealand now, so getting back would be a bit of a struggle, so that's a bit of a life update to anyone who's actually watched up to this point. I will let you guys know when this will be and where we will be moving to, because it's quite an exciting move. It's about to happen, so yeah. Freaking hell, there's a life update for you. But anyway, the boxes are super cool, so if you're in New Zealand, do check them out down below. I hope you enjoyed the video. For those of you new here, if you're into witchbox kind of things, I will link a playlist of me opening the previous ones up there. And if you guys are returning subscribers, thank you very, very much for your support. I don't normally do a lot of witchboxes or things like that. I do a lot of makeup and clothing hauls, so there will be other playlists floating around towards the end and in the beginning somewhere, so hopefully you can check those out if you're new and see if you like those as well. But any support from my channel is always very, very welcome. I appreciate all of the views and the likes and the comments. Thank you very, very much for supporting me and for showing an interest. I really appreciate it. So pleasant time of day to you wherever you are, and greetings and salutations to you.